Hello from Dhaka, this is Moutushi Jubaida Rahman and you are watching Basis News. When the monsoon clouds drift away and golden fields shimmer under the autumn sun, a different kind of rhythm fills the air in Netrokona. Drums beat, voices rise, and the Hajong community comes alive in the colors of Deuli, a festival that celebrates harvest, harmony, and hope. The festival usually takes place at the end of the monsoon or during the Bengali month of Kartik. In the villages, young men and women sing and dance to traditional tunes, songs that speak of crops, rivers, and natural details. And when the celebrations reach their peak, everyone gathers for a grand feast. Dishes made from newly harvested rice and other local foods are shared, symbolizing abundance and togetherness. A key part of Deuli is worship and prayer. On the new moon night of Kartik, devotees worship goddess Kali. They offer prayers to express gratitude for the harvest and seek blessings for the next season's crops. At the heart of the Deuli festival lies something truly unique: Chormaga. It is a traditional fundraising activity. A group of 8 to 10 people travel from village to village, performing songs and dances to collect rice and money that help cover the festival costs. There are two main types of Chormaga in Hajong society: Din Dawa and Probashi Chormaga. Din Dawa begins on the last day of Durga Puja and lasts 3 to 4 days, while Probashi Chormaga starts on the new moon night of Kartik and continues for about a week. During Chormaga, the community presents dramatic performances like Mohishasur Bodh, Ram Mongol, Lewatana, Bhanganouka Gahen, Gitalu Geet, and Baromashi. These vibrant cultural acts make the Deuli festival truly stand out, a celebration rich in color, story, and spirit. Locals say although the festival carries some influence from Deepavali, the Hajong people have preserved their own unique traditions with pride. It's not just a festival for the Hajong community. People from other ethnic groups also join in, turning it into a festival of friendship, harmony, and cultural exchange. Recently, the celebration has been organized jointly by the local community and the small ethnic cultural academy. Their efforts have boosted cultural awareness, local tourism, and even economic activity in the area. For the Hajong people of Netrokona, the Deuli or Deuli festival is much more than a tradition. It's a living symbol of joy, unity, and heritage, passed down through generations. Through this festival, the younger generation reconnects with their roots, their community, and the stories that define who they are. The Deuli festival isn't just about dance, prayer, or feast. It's about celebrating life itself. A festival that keeps the heartbeat of Hajong culture alive, spreading the light of unity, harmony, and gratitude year after year. That's all for now. For more videos like this, visit BSS. Thanks for watching.